I'll take the example of M-Pesa, which is a homegrown product that has really become a global showcase. We believe that in our own unique way, we'll be able to develop solutions for the differently abled people to be part and parcel of us. And before I forget, we have our partners from Enable, who are actually supporting differently abled people in different schools. They are here to see how we can be able to connect institutions for differently abled people to the internet.
They get good support and equal opportunities across the internet. They'll be able to grow and ensure that the persons with disability within the society are fully inclusive. One thing maybe I'll add on concerning organizations that persons with disabilities are included is to ensure that sustainability.
Internet is a resource, and it's a testament to our drive that if we are able to increase capacity of the community to consume, then we only enrich the process. We are drawing the value chain longer. The value chain is still very much available for so many players, and for us to achieve that optimal